Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Slow and Easy.
Hi, Rose. Hi, everyone.
How are you today, Dawson?
I'm great. I'm wearing my favorite shirt today.
Really? What color is your shirt?
It's blue.
Nice. Blue is calm and cool. Today, we will talk about colors and clothes. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Part 1, Learning Colors. Basic vocabulary. Let's start with colors. Repeat after me slowly. Red,
Red,
blue,
blue,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
black,
black,
white,
white,
pink,
pink,
brown,
brown,
orange,
orange,
purple.
purple.
Great job! Part 2, Using colors in sentences. Now let's use colors in short sentences. My hat is red.
My hat is red.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The grass is green.
The grass is green.
The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
Part 3, Learning Clothes Vocabulary. Now, let's talk about clothes. Repeat after me. Shirt,
Shirt,
pants,
pants,
shoes,
shoes,
dress,
dress,
hat,
hat,
jacket,
jacket,
socks,
socks,
skirt.
skirt.
Excellent. Part 4, Making sentences with clothes plus colors. Let's put them together. I have a red dress.
That's not for me.
Then say, I have a blue shirt.
I have a blue shirt.
I have black shoes.
I have black shoes.
My hat is brown.
My hat is brown.
My pants are green.
My pants are green.
Part 5, Practice. Ask and answer. Let's practice questions. What color is your shirt?
My shirt is blue.
What color are your shoes?
My shoes are white.
What color is your hat?
My hat is black.
Great job! Let's play a quick game. I say a color, and you find something around you with that color. Red,
My cup is red.
green,
My plant is green.
blue.
The wall is blue.
Part 7, Fun Role Play. Describing outfits. Let's describe people. What is Rose wearing?
Rose is wearing a yellow dress.
Maybe.
And Dawson?
Dawson is wearing a blue shirt and black pants.
Wow, that's right.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue
Why?
because it's calm like the sea.
My favorite color is yellow. It's happy and bright. Part 7, Review. Let's review today's lesson. We learned about colors: red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, pink, brown, orange, and purple.
And clothes: shirt, pants, shoes, dress, hat, jacket, socks, skirt.
And we made sentences with colors and clothes.
Yes, great work.
Now look around you and say, my book is red. My shoes are black. My shirt is white. Part 8, Closing. That's all for today's lesson.
Wow, I really liked this one.
Yes, it was fun. We talked about colors and clothes.
And now I know I don't wear a red dress.
No, you don't, but you wear a blue shirt, and that's perfect. Everyone, Remember to look around you and practice. Say, my hat is black. My shirt is white. My shoes are brown. Practice every day and you will speak better and better.
I'll do that. And I think you should too.
Yes, you can even say colors when you see them. For example, the sky is blue, the apple is red, the cat is white. Don't forget to repeat after us when you listen again. Slow English, clear English. That's how you learn.
And if you liked this lesson,
Please subscribe to English Slow and Easy.
click the like button.
Leave us a comment. What's your favorite color?
Tell us below. We love reading your answers.
Next time, we'll learn about the weather and seasons.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.